How you doing, folks? My name is Tony. Together, my wife and I, we run Kettle Black Arts, and today, guess what I got? Look at that big old hand-painted magnetic warning for the Postal Service, okay? Well, it's very cool, from Kratos Magnetics. I was really happy to get this in. Today, we're going to show you how to use your Loctite, okay, folks? So, remove your box, open up your other box, check out the nice Kratos stickers we got here. 1, 2, 3 Kratos stickers. We also got a nice Kratos poker chip. Make sure you free your phone. People who like doing the Big Brother scan, please help yourself. We got a lapel pin, also very cool, and the iconic Kratos keychain. Very cool. All right, we're gonna open this bad boy up. Always important, save these. Look at that. The Kratos 2400 Artemis. Very cool magnet. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna take the 6mm Allen wrench here and try and get in there safely. Yep. We're gonna unscrew the top piece. And hang on to that and do it this way just for convenience sake. Pull off the one lock washer. It'll hang on to it for me, so I shouldn't lose it. Thank you. Ah, science. All right. Now you're gonna goob this up pretty decent. Normally I have a napkin, but hey, I'm working on the fly here today, so that's how it works. And don't forget to put your lock washer back on. All right. Got the goop all over your fingers now. If you really want, you can also add a little drop to the inside here, just so you can finish up those threads. Don't forget to put your lid back on. Always good to do that. I'm gonna toss it in the box for safety's sake. Now, you got your Loctite there. You got it here. Don't cross thread. You don't want to do that. There you go. Just that easy, folks. Loctite away. Screw is here to screw until she's tight. Now, because we have the picnic table here and there's these slots, you can also put it in the slots just to hold it in there, and you can give it one last little All right, so now you know it's nice and snug. All right, so definitely highly recommend using the Loctite. Wait the full 24 hours. It's like getting your birthday cake, but you can't eat it till tomorrow. I know, right? All right, but definitely, this is my 360 Artemis by Kratos. I'll leave a comment below for a code, or check out one of my other videos. Save your 12%. This is a great magnet. I've seen other people use it, and I can't wait to, you know, pop the thing on this. All right, everyone, you take care. Like, share, subscribe, and of course, hit that notification bell. Don't forget, tell your pets we said hello. Peace.